Now let's try to see this question. Such kind of questions will be asked in GATE. So they have given a set and the relation defined on it is divides, and entirely it is a poset, right? And now they are saying whether it is, they are asking us to find out whether it is join or meet or lattice or none of this. That is what they are asking. So before answering it, it is always better, see, anyway you can answer it without using the poset diagram or lattice diagram, but it is always better if you go with the lattice diagram. It will give you the visualization clearly. So let's go with the lattice diagram. So 1 is 2 is an element, and 3 is an element, and 4 is there, and then 9 is there, and 12 is there. So 4 3s, and then 18 is there. That's it. And 2 divides 18, right? As well as 3 divides 12. So this is the diagram. So this is the poset diagram. Clearly you can see that in this poset we have 2 minimal elements and 2 maximal elements. Whenever you have 2 minimal elements, for any 2 minimal elements there will not be greatest lower bound, and for 2 maximal elements there will not be least upper bound. Therefore it is neither join nor semi, right? So that is how we can answer it. Got it? So in case if you try to add some elements, then yes, it will be a mid semi or like that. But one interesting point you should observe from this is whenever you have more than one minimal element, then for those 2 minimal elements there will be no greatest lower bound, and for any 2 maximal elements there will be no least upper bound. Therefore in this case we have more than one minimal element and more than one maximal element, and so it cannot be lattice. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries, for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.